Longan can be grown in pots. From seed to fruit, how long does it take? 3–4 years is considered fast, but since it's potted, it took 5 years. So don't throw away the seeds after eating longan. Wrap them in wet tissue to sprout. Before wrapping, soak the tissue. Seal it inside a plastic bag to prevent moisture loss. After about a week, open the tissue again and you'll see the longan seeds sprouting buds. Once it sprouts, plant it into loose and breathable soil. It's better to moisten the soil before placing the seed. Usually within 10 days, seedlings appear. It takes about a month for needle-like leaves to grow. After half a year, it has already grown into a small sapling. It looks healthy and nice. In the second year, it grew much bigger. Obviously, it had been repotted once. Fertilizing 4 or 5 times a year helps it grow healthily. After fertilizing, loosen the soil a bit and cover with some organic soil. Loose, breathable, slightly acidic soil is best for longan. It helps the roots grow stronger and the trunk thicker. Cover with a layer of straw for sun protection and moisture retention. In summer, water more often since water evaporates quickly. Every spring and summer, prune the branches. For potted plants, height is not necessary. By the 3rd year, you can top it and cut off unnecessary branches. Longan loves sunlight. The best growing temperature is 23 to 32 degrees. Above 35 degrees, growth slows down. It needs cross-pollination. Because it's in a pot, it bears fruit 1 to 2 years later than those grown in the ground.